Hello my friends. Firstly, I want to say a few words to thank you for subscribing and liking and commenting on my videos. And second, I want to wish you Happy New Year. As you have noticed, I took few weeks off so I can rest a little bit. And from now on, I will continue to make one video every day. Of course, if I can, if I'm able to. So as always, I have another abstract background for you. This one is flower. And let me show you what's going on here and how to use it. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates, and folder where you extracted the file. Drag and drop the abstract background like this, connect to the media out. Wait few seconds to render when you click on media out number 2 on the keyboard. And then ungroup the composition and then you will get all this mess. This one is another connection for the other part if you want to add. This one is the background. You can change the alpha to 0 or the 1 if you wish the black background. I choose not to. This one you can delete if you don't want. And this is the main part of the flower. When you click here and press the number 2 on the keyboard, you will get this shape. I made this one with a duplicate. With a duplicate you can just change for 12 for example, and then 360 divided by 12, you will get this, but I don't want. I will undo, and the main shape controlled with these ellipses. This one is the same, but I connected to the mask here, and then when you click on the merge and you adjust this, you will get these shapes. This is all fun. You can play around what you want. And then another one is the copy. I change the color, and another one copy here, and change the duplicate a little bit to 12 pieces, and another one. This is another one. I have duplicate and a duplicate again, and then you will get another copy with another duplicate, and then this one you will get these dots, all these three parts here, and you can change the duplicate and change the amount, everything what you want. It all depends what you like to get in the final result. Colors you change here in the background. You can see when I'm moving. And this is basically it. It's fairly simple. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.